Welcome everyone sa ating Live Good Affiliate Marketing presentation. Now, if you're someone na naghahanap ng extra income, whether it be employed, OFW, student man, senior ka na, or tambay, gusto mo ng extra income, gusto mo makaipon, and sawa ka na sa ginagawa mo right now na parang walang nagbabago, and gusto mo ng growth, gusto mo ng change, gusto mo rin kahit paano ng side hustle na makakatulong sa'yo and your future. Well then, para sa'yo itong presentation na to. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out, and at the same time patapusin itong presentation kasi I'm sure na meron at marami kang makukuha dito. So before we get started, pakilala muna ako sa inyo. Hello, again, welcome, and I'm Coach Martel Dagasdas and one of the Live Good Pioneer. So I've been in this business for quite a while na rin actually. Ayan, a professional network marketer and one of the speakers bureau ng ating team sa DMW, and full-time na po natin itong ginagawa. So ito na po yung bread and butter po natin. And I'm also the founder of my team, Zil Empire, and currently a platinum rank member. Through the help of this opportunity. Kaya, again, patapusin mo itong presentation, tune in and don't tune out. So before tayo mag-proceed, meron muna tayong short disclaimer para maiset ang tamang expectation that this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. Hindi po tayo dito nagpa-promise or nagsasabi ng kung ano ng mga advices like legal, financial, or investment. Okay? So this is educational purpose only. No? And at the same time, lahat ng i-share natin later on ng mga earnings, results are illustrative lang po yan. Kasi again, like any other businesses, ang result po natin ay magbabase po depende sa effort, sa time na invest natin. So sana clear po tayo dyan. So before we get started to the presentation proper, so let me just share to you itong ating short video, kumbaga bird's eye view on who and what this company is. So ito po yung short video ng ating CEO, kumbaga parang summary na po, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched 4 years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already have just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generating extra income from home. We've paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has LiveGood become so successful the past few years while so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business? One word: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked 5 or 10 working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. Smarter, they're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at Live Good. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert leading formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars. Take our organic Super Reds, for example. Probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligram CBD for as much as $8. We have the highest quality premium USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? A ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and powerline-driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the Powerline works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the Powerline and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline and waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x18 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enrolled them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of Live Good, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry. But that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide, and Live Good is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see Live Good, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about Live Good, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join Live Good. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to Live Good. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with Live Good. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
See you all at the top. So at least right now, you have a glimpse of idea on who and what this company is. So syempre dito sa ating presentation, mas elaborate natin yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya tune in ka lang and don't tune out. So welcome again everyone. Welcome to this amazing company called Live Good. So Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. So as of now, magpo 4 years na po tayo. Malapit na this upcoming December, no? And US-based company po ito na focus in the wellness and digital service industry. So, ngayon, I'll just share to you, no, some reasons why Live Good. Actually, marami, but I'll give you 6 for now. No? So, nung una dito, we have these amazing products. In terms to quality, no? It comes to pagiging organic, ayan. And of course, mga test din. So, amazing kasi, of course, quality ang ating mga products. Okay? And number two, incredible yung prices. And I know marami sa inyo ay nakatry na ng magandang products out there. Kaso nga lang, ang mamahal. 'Di ba? Mabubutas muna talaga yung bulsa natin, no? Pero dito, amazing products na incredible prices pa. So, ganun po kaganda, no? And number 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. So, dito, hindi ka po pipilitin ng company na bumili ng products. So, you buy here whenever and whatever you want. Number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. That means within 90 days, pag naka-order ka ng products, within that period, pag di mo nagustuhan yung product, nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, actually pwede mong isauli yung lalagyan ng products. Yes, and no questions asked, ibabalik po sa inyo yung pera mo. Sabi nyo, ganun po tayo ka-confident sa product natin kasi nga quality po talaga. The company make sure na pag syempre trinay mo yung products po is that magkakaroon ka talaga ng magandang effect sa health mo. Ayan. And number 6, number 1 business to join. Yes po. So, ito po yung mga patunay kung bakit. So, syempre, track record na po ang magsasabi. So, unang-una dito ang ating record din sa Business for Home na narang po tayo as AAA plus opportunity. Kumbaga sa school pa with highest honor. Yes, na nakikita po ng BFH na long-term, sustainable, and great ang ating company. Ayan. And of course, na-feature tayo sa DSN nakapag-celebrate ng 1 million members in just a matter of 13 months. Talagang breaking the record. Ganun po ka pinagkaguluhan. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa US, kundi sa buong mundo. No? And of course, sa ating 3 years, nakapag-payout lang naman tayo ng tumataginting na $140 million in commissions. No? Alam niyo, sa ibang company, pangarap po yan nilang sales. Pero dito, payout lang yan sa mga affiliates. Ganun po ka-generous. And not just that, dito po ay as of now, nasa 2 million plus na po ang ating members and affiliates sa buong mundo. Talagang grabe, pinagkakaguluhan. Okay, so kaya the track record speaks for itself na maganda po talaga pang long term and marami na po talaga nagtiwala. Not just that, generous pa. Ayan. So, syempre, the reason behind all of the success of the company is because of the corporate team. Ayan. So, unang-una dito, no, ang ating CEO, no, si Ben Glinsky. Alam niyo, nakita ko po and Ah, kumbaga nagustuhan ko rin of course sa CEO natin kasi ano po long term mag-isip, and not just that, grabe din po yung experience. Masasabi kong veterano. Imagine mo ba naman 20 plus years yung experience, no? Owning ng mga successful companies. Kasi marami iba matatagal na pero wala namang success na track record. Ayun lang. Pero ito may success po talaga. Okay? And is also an IT guy kaya safe na safe po yung ating online, no? Okay? And at the same time, kumbaga grabe yung puso din niya kasi every week talagang maririnig natin, no, in yung vision, yung direction ng company, as in grabe. Kaya masasabi ko nga, term ko po sa kanya para po siyang si Elon Musk of direct selling industry kasi grabe, very simple but the business really makes sense. Alright, and katuwang din po niya ang ating Director of Field Development, si Nodor Kazan, na merong 30 plus years of experience naman in this kind of field. And ang dami niya na rin natulungan. In fact, every day, no, may mga Zoom schedules siya na ina-attendan para tulungan din po yung mga affiliates natin worldwide. Okay, so both of them, they have 50 plus years of experience in this kind of business. Okay, and then yung in charge naman ng ating products ang mag-partner na si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. So they are the director of product development and product education, in charge sa pag-formulate, create, pag-educate sa atin when it comes to our products and in our health as well. Ayan. And makikita nyo po talaga na sa owners pa lang po natin talagang healthy din, no? They live what they are saying, no? Healthy po sila and sila din mismo user ng products and even their family. Ayan. So, syempre, pag pamilya pag-usapan, you want the best for your family. Kaya, they make sure na maganda po talaga. The best of the best yung products natin. Ayan. And ano ba yung goal natin? Napakasimple lang. Very simple, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. No? And of course, meron tayong mga life-changing products. Lahat po yan made in the US. May mga certifications din ng GMP, USDA, and lab tested for purity and potency. Ayan. And ito po yung some of our newest na mga products like CBD gummies, good for relaxation, pampakalma, restful sleep, etc. And ito naman yung ating NAD+, naka-strips po siya. Okay? Maganda po ito, especially sa mga nagkakaedad na rin kasi it helps cellular energy, pang brain health, DNA repair, and many more. And ito naman ang ating parasite cleanse. Naku, kung mahilig kayo ng mga raw meat, no, yung hindi masyadong luto na mga pagkain, naku, baka may kasamang parasite po yan. Kaya ito, ini-eliminate po niya lahat ng cycle ng parasite. No? Yan. Okay, so marami pa po tayong paparating na mga products kaya abangan po natin. Of course, we also have legalities and certifications. We are a legit company registered in Florida, USA. And ito naman po ang ating mga certifications ng ating mga products na nagpapatunay na quality, organic, and walang nahalong kung ano-ano sa ating mga products. Yan. So, syempre, iba-iba yung pangangailangan natin. That's why our company creates products that is tailored sa specific needs natin. Like, for example, iba naman syempre yung pang men's, and iba rin yung pang women. Yung pang nutrition lang, skincare, etc. And paano tayo mag-order? Dalawang klase nag-order dito. You can order say consumer or member. Yan, consumer pay retail low prices, lalo pag nag-member. Okay? And ito, price comparison tayo. So, the quality of products is okay na, the best. And how about the pricing ng products natin? As you can see here, ito, napaka-popular yung barley ngayon, di ba, sa Pilipinas. Ang daming companies, no, may barley sila. Ano po ba, that isang ingredients lang po yan. And isang ingredients lang po ang ang barley dito po sa ating greens, no? Ayan, ang dami pong po, no, ang daming mga companies out there, all right? Mga companies out there na okay? Maraming mga companies out there na yung pinakano lang talaga na pinaka-ingredient is yun yung barley, pero sa atin again, isa lang na ingredients lang kasi marami pong ingredients yung greens natin. So, sample na lang po natin dito ay ang ating Itong greens natin sa ibang company, alam niyo po ba? 350 grams, it will cost in other companies around 3,600 to 6,000 pesos. Ayun, sa atin magkano lang? Magkano lang po? 6, okay, 2,000 plus pesos. Yes. No, ganun ka ganda, ganun ka quality and affordable yung ating greens. No? Ayan, and ito pa. Okay, itong ating essential oils. Ano niyo po ba? Ito meron tayo dito ano no. Ayan, pakita ko lang po sa inyo. Itong ating frankincense. Ayan, ito po. Okay. Ayan, so alam niyo po ba, na-research ko po rin ito sa ibang company. And alam niyo po ba that billion-dollar ibang companies na dahil lang po dito sa mga essential oils, no? Sa iba binebenta nila to around 4,000 to 6,000 pesos. But sa atin, kasama na to, and meron pang added na 5 na mga essential oils, around 3,000 pesos. So, grabe, no? And I was amazed kasi ganun ka-affordable. Tapos US-based pa. Alam naman natin pag US company, talagang, di man lahat, pero mostly talaga, kay priority talaga yung quality ng product. 'Di ba? And itong black seed oil, the remedy for everything but death, no? Mga around 50 up to $50 binebenta yan nila, sa atin around 1,500 kasama ni shipping. Collagen, which is marami ding health benefits. Sa iba binebenta around up to $80, sa atin around parang same rin na 3,000. No? O, ganun kaganda. So, I know, nasa isip nyo po, paano magiging sustainable yung company if halos wala lang kinikita. No? Kasi I'm sure, ganun din iniisip mo. No? And ako din po, no, when time na nakita ko po ito, sabi ko, wait lang, di ba? Paano gigita ang company kung walang patong sa mga products? Di ba? Kasi actually, because of the business model. And mamaya, marirealize nyo after this presentation na the business really makes sense. Yes, no? So mamaya i-share ko po sa inyo na kung paano naging possible highest quality products, organic, pero sobrang mura. Okay, hindi po cheap, premium quality, but affordable. Ah, 'di ba? Ayan, and ito pa yung isa sa mga na-appreciate ko because we are available in 200 plus countries and territories. Where nito po ay whereas sa ibang company, no, expansion nila is one country at a time, pero sa atin 200 plus countries agad. No, ibig sabihin magagawa natin business, makapag-ship tayo ng products, matatanggap natin, no? And pag kumita ka through our affiliate program, you can get your commissions. Yes. And I was amazed kasi since day one po ito, guys. Well, sa iba, one country at a time. Especially, di ba, dito sa Pilipinas, one country at a time sila. No? Pero grabe ito, ganun katindi and masabi ko talaga long term. Literally walang saturation kasi itong nakikita niyong countries right now, magagawa niyo po itong business. Okay? Hindi ko na po isa-isahin pero yan po, global literally. Okay? And for example na dito, yung mga partners natin, Uzbekistan, Russia, in Malaysia, Africa, India, Sweden, Bangladesh, US, Vietnam, many more. Grabe, no? And naging possible po yan kasi napakasimple. And it really makes sense because of the business model. And I know as unconsciously, marami po sa atin meron na ito. Ano po yun? Subscription. Ayan. O, simplihan lang po natin para maintindihan natin. O, type nyo nga dyan, subscription. Ayan. Okay? Alright. So what is subscription? It is a business model where people pay regularly. Okay, regular either monthly or yearly para no ma-access yung product, services or benefits. Ayan. So, ayan, para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ito pa yung mga sample. Ayan, no, familiar po ba tayo? Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney, Disney Plus, Costco, Rocket Car Wash. Anong common sa kanila? Mga tao nagbabayad dyan weekly or monthly to enjoy the benefits na ino-offer. Unlimited movies, free discounts, free shipping, unlimited car wash, and many others. And ito naman po yung mga sample. Ito, relate na relate tayo. Nandito sa Pinas. Magbayad ka ng kuryente, tubig, nagpapaload ka, naguhulog ka ng SSS, GSIS. Ayan. And ngayon, mas pag-usapan natin more about dito. Alam niyo po ba, ito, sampulan ko lang kayo, Netflix. No? Ayan. So, ang dami ng nakaano dyan, subscribe. O baka ikaw naka-subscribe din. Alam mo ba that there are 303 million subscribers na? And 45.2 billion yung revenue. Ganong kalaki. Yes, 600 pesos ang binabayaran ng tao. Pero dahil ang daming mga members, ganong kalaki yung kinikita. ng company yan. And 10.43 billion yung net profit since last year, 2025. Grabe. Ito naman, Costco, 145 million members, 5.3 billion yung revenue. No? Imagine niyo, gaano kayaman tong mga company to. Though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what Live Good has. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Ayun lang. O, try natin i-compare. Live Good versus other companies. So, sa ibang company, and that includes Live Good, may magandang products and services. So, walang question tayo dyan. So, wala tayong question. But, ang pinagkaiba ng Live Good versus other companies, wala po silang income. Sa atin, yes, you heard that right, meron pong kitaan. Ayan. So, dito, you can be a consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Ayan. So, ang tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan. Sino dito gusto kumita ng dollars? O type ako ng dollar sign. Ayan. Type mo dollar sign. Ang hindi kumita, I mean, kumita, hindi mag-type, hindi kikita ng dollars. Ayan, kailangan pang takutin, no? So, okay, kidding aside, okay, joke lang po. So, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, ngayon, syempre, para maging part tayo ng company, kailangan nating tawag po namin is affiliate member. Yan, or subscriber, or whatever you may call it. But we prefer it at affiliate member. Okay, so kagaya ng ibang subscription type of business, meron tayong dalawang options. So, we have option number 1, monthly, na ang babayaran lang natin is 3,000. Yes, sa unang buwan natin, for example, start ka this week, 3,000 lang. Oh, start ka na kaagad ngayon, araw, 3,000 lang. Tapos in the following month, since na-discuss ko sa inyo, 'di ba, subscription yung business model natin. Okay, o magkano babayaran every month? 600. Yan lang. Parang yan lang po yung ano mo, overhead expenses. 'Di ba? Parang yung 'di ba yung literal yung traditional businesses may OPEX, bayad sa kuryente, tubig, upa, no? Yan yung ano pa yung mga permit, 'di ba? OPEX 'yun eh. Dito 600 lang. 600 lang babayaran mo monthly. Pero gusto mo ba ng libre? Ayan, o type mo dyan free. Ayan, o type mo free. Okay? O, itong good news. Meron tayong another option which is the yearly. Wherein, ang babayaran natin is 8,400. Yan lang, 8,400. Ang maganda dito kasi paid ka na for 12 months. No? Pero ang maganda kasi libre ka ng 2 months. Kasi instead na 12 months yung babayaran mo, 10 months lang. Kasi binigay na nga ng company sa'yo yung 20 or yung 2 months, $20 or 2 months ng libre. Ah, di ba? Oh, ganun kaganda. Kung gusto mo ng libre, I highly suggest go for yearly or OPM sa other terms, sa term din namin. 1 year premium membership para hindi ka na mag-isip monthly and bayad ka na for the whole year. Nakatipid ka pa. Ayan. So, ano naman yung benefit? So, take note guys sa mga nandito at mga bago, this isn't a traditional MLM. Okay, direct selling company na pag-join mo, meron ka agad physical products. Again, we are a club membership. O, type mo dyan, club membership. Okay, we are a club membership company. Okay, ang mas malapit po yung ano natin, no, yung kapareho po talaga is Costco, Landers SNR dito sa Pinas. Ayan, 'di ba para ka makabili doon sa mga stores nila, kailangan mo mag-member, 'di ba? Bayad ka yearly. Okay, depende ko sa Costco, Landers SNR, 'di ba? So, bayad ka yearly. Okay, mostly yearly, no? As far as I know, okay? And after noon, pag nakabayad ka na, member ka na, doon ka pa makakapasok and makakuha ng discounts. Dito ganun din. Okay? So, pag naging ano ka na, affiliate member, okay, meron kang benefits na makukuha. Okay? Ayan, ano makukuha mo dito? Nung una is access to membership club. Di ba, discuss ko sa inyo? 'Di ba yung greens, yung essential oils, gaya nito, wholesale mo nang nabibili. Highest quality. Meron po tayong mga certifications magpapatunay na quality ang products at wholesale yung pricing. Digital marketing products, lahat po ng tools, system natin, ipoprovide po ng company. And dito, ito yung amazing din. Hindi ka lang bibigyan ng isa, dalawa, lima, bibigyan ka ng siyam. Yes, you heard that right. 9 replicated websites. And we also have free online training via Zoom. And of course, lifetime support. Save up to 75% on our products and 9 ways to earn. Ayan. And ito po yung sample ng ating mga replicated websites. When we say replicated, ginawa na po yan ng company. Okay? And pag naging affiliate member ka, magagamit mo yan. And matindi kasi may pangalan mo sa taas. Welcome to Juan de la Cruz website. Oh, ang galing na para sa'yo talaga. No, we have company sites, dalawang landing pages, retail sites, product sites, free detox, Live Good Clinic and Health, assessment, websites. Galing, di ba? Ganun ka-supportive ang company. Kung tools lang po, nako, grabe. Grabe po talaga. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, dito na tayo sa kitaan. Yun. So, how do we make money and live good and enjoy yung lahat ng benefits? So, meron tayong tinatawag dito na dalawang structure, unilevel and forced matrix. Yan. So, yung unilevel, you can enroll here as many people as you can. Pwede ka mag-enroll, marami kang sharean, okay? Infinite wide yan and up to 10 levels deep. Sa matrix naman, 2 by 15. Okay, ang system po yung naglalagay sa atin sa matrix, okay, na ikaw yung nasa taas, yung first level mo dalawa, second level apat, ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Okay? So we have 9 ways to earn. So hindi ko po i-discuss lahat dito yan, pero ano ko lang po, i-share ko po sa inyo yung mga pinaka-importante para hindi kayo ma-overload sa information. So, una muna natin dito ang ating retail commissions. We have two ways to earn with shop link and physical products. Alright? So, dito sa retail commissions, you will earn 50% of the difference between the member price and retail price. Ayan. Okay. So, ibig sabihin po, no? Ang mangyayari po ay, for example, nakabenta po tayo ng greens or reds. Ayan. Okay? So, dito, pwede po natin kitain yung earnings sa $6. The difference. 'Di ba? Ganun kaganda. And ngayon, meron naman tayong international pack. Nabenta natin yan through website natin or di kaya meron tayong on hand, binenta natin, meron tayong $30. Okay? And dito naman sa ating fast start bonus, okay, we have what we call the referral, okay, program, wherein pag nag-share ka, you can earn, for example, nag-member lang kasi gusto lang yung products, matry yung ating essential oil, yung greens or reds. Ayan. So, pwede silang mag-member, which is $10, 600 lang, meron kang $5. So, for example, alright, for example, meron kang na-enroll this week na 10, next week, okay, dahil weekly to binibigay, may 3,000 ka. Ayan. And of course, affiliate to affiliate naman, okay, dito naman is that, for example, meron kang na-enroll na affiliate, nagbayad ng 3,000 or nagbayad sila ng 8,400. Okay, what will happen is meron kang $25. So, galing, di ba? So, weekly din to. So, example na meron kang na-enroll this week na 5, the following week, meron kang $125. And unlimited po ito, guys. No? In fact, ito po, no? Dito pa lang sa weekly fast start. Grabe, ito po mind-blowing. This isn't too hype, no? Pero ano lang po, no? Feasibility study, no? Or computation. This part alone can easily beat other comp plan designs. Power of 5 lang po. Yung 5, nag-refer ng 5. Monthly or di kaya yearly. Alam niyo po ba, 10 months. Or worst case scenario, 10 years. Okay? Pag gagawin po ng lahat, power of 5, we can earn as much as 6 million US dollar. That's 369 million pesos. In fact, this part alone, the company pays out up to 80% of the fast start bonus. Grabe, di ba? Ganong katindi. Okay? And ito po ang ating top 10. Makikita nyo po dyan. Grabe naman. Ang top 10 po, magkano pong kinita? 870 na yung referrals. 1.3M. Yan, kinonvert ko na in peso, no? O, meron tayong 1.4, 1.7, 2.1, 2.6, 3.8. Imagine niyo po, yung 3,000 na pinuhunan nila, yung 8.4 na pang-yearly na membership nila, umabot na po ng 6 and hindi lang 6, actually 7 figures. No? Nung tinabaho na nila. That's the future, guys. That's the future. Okay? And ito po yung rank up natin. So, hindi ko po mali-discuss lahat. But, okay, share ko lang po sa inyo ng ano lang, kumbaga yung idea. No? Dito ang goal lang natin dito, of course, pag rank up natin is to build team. Hindi natin bibilhin yung rank. Na, di ba sa iba binibili eh. Dito hindi po. Nabibuild ka lang team. For example, bronze, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. No? Tapos, for example, bibuild pa tayo. Nag-20 yung team natin. Okay, you can, minimum ha, minimum kasi meron pa yung ibang requirements eh. So, meron kang 20 team, pwede ka na mag-silver. Okay? Tapos pag umabot ng 100 team, at least minimum, nakuha mo yung ibang requirements, gold, 500 team, platinum, 2,500 naman for diamond, and 50,000 naman for crown diamond. Oh, galing, di ba? Ayan. So, ngayon, okay, dito naman tayo next ang ating matrix bonus. Dito you can earn 0.25 cents per member. Ayan, na subscribers under your team. So, ang goal lang natin dito, help to find to help to. So, by the way, this is, kumbaga paid out every first Thursday of the month. Ayan. So, ang goal natin dito, build subscribers. Ayan. O, type mo nga dyan, build subscribers. So, build lang tayo dito ng mga gumagamit ng products, gusto ng extra income. Okay? Ayan. So, yun, pag nagsusubscribe sila every month, yung 600, meron kang 15 pesos. Ganun lang. Okay? Yan. So, for example, ikaw nasa taas, may na-refer ka, nilagay sa left and right mo, tapos sila din, meron din, left and right din nila. Pag nagsusubscribe na yan every month, every first Thursday, bibilangin lang yan. Tapos, bibilangin lang kung ilan yung mga subscriber, tig 15 pesos. Yan, ganun lang. For example po, no, 8 level, merong 256 na katao dyan. Binilang ng system, 0.25, so meron kang $64. Ah, 'di ba? Pag napuno po 'yan, darating yung time. Siyempre, pag natrabaho, napuno. Alam niyo po ba, you can earn six figures, 100 plus thousand every single month. That is month after month, every single month. Yes, that's possible. Pero hindi pa dyan yung exciting. Ito, ang mas exciting, the matching bonuses. Yes. We're in dito, and dito pa ako na mind blown sa term pa namin, no, dito na nabaliw. Hindi pa yung nasa mental, no? Kumbaga, na mind blown po talaga kasi ito lang po yung company, the only company that I have seen na nagbibigay ng 50%. Take note, 50% nakita sa direct matrix pay. Oh, ganito yan. Simple lang po ang idea. For example, si A, na-refer mo, kumita $50, di ba yung 600 a month? Naipon yun, 15 pesos, kumita siya ng $50, magkano sa'yo? 25. Si B, okay, nakapag-build ng mas maraming team. Ang daming subscribers, naipon yung yung 600, meron tig 15 pesos. Yung 15 pesos, naipon lahat yun, kumita siya 100 sa matrix niya. Magkano sa'yo? $50. Ganun lang kasimple. And mas matindi pa, mas mind-blowing kasi generational. Generational. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-rank up ka, nag-rank up din yung team mo, hindi ka lang kikita sa mga personal referrals mo. Personal enrollees mo, kundi sa team din nila. Entire team nila. Grabe, mind-blowing to guys. So, ito, bigyan ko kayo ng sample, no? Ito, I don't know kung kanino to. Pero itong taong to, na-refer niya itong si Ryan, which is bagong diamond siya that time. Alam niyo po ba, yung 15 pesos, naipon yun. Alam niyo po ba, umabot ng 55K? Ang tanong, totoo ba itong matching na kalahati? Alam niyo po, yes po. Magkano po income niya? 27,000 mahigit. Sa kanya pa lang kay Ryan. Wala pang, ito pa kay Abel. Oh, naipon din. Tipi 15 pesos, umabot ng 37K kasi dumaming subscribers. No? Maraming nag-enjoy ng products, maraming kumikita. Yan, kumita po siya ng 18,000 that time. Itong si Dave, 18K yung kinita ni Dave, kumita yung taong to ng 9,000. Mas matindi guys ito pa. Itong David, hindi niya po personal referral. Enrollee po ito ni Abel. Okay? Matindi kasi kumita po siya that time ng 42K. Yes, 42,000. O bakit tatlo yan? Isa lang po yan ha. Kung bakit tatlo, kasi merong matching yung taong to ng tatlong beses. Kasi he was platinum that time. Kumita siya ng extra 4,200, 2-1, another 2-1. Ang dami po niyan guys. May 30, $20, 15, 10, may 5, may 0.25, 0.50, 0.70. Ang dami. In fact, umabot po ng 6 figures. Grabe po talaga, no? Nako, guys, kung talagang naiintindihan niyo, especially kung meron dito mga floating networker, no? Nako, tingnan niyo talaga. Tingnan niyo ng hindi po sa malayon, tingnan niyo ng malapitan. Intindihin niyo kasi pag once you see it, you really can't unsee it. Kaya grabe po. Okay? And ito, pag napag-start ka, we encourage na at least idamay mo yung kung dalawang family member mo, natatrabaho din. Kasi darating yung time pag natrabaho niyo ninyong tatlo, okay, you can earn up to kayong tatlo, matrix ng dalawang family member mo, tapos matrix mo, matching mo sa kanila, up to 500,000 every single month. That is month after month after month after month in the future. Oh, ito pa, at least ito pa 20 direct referral. Okay? Hmm. Oh, darating yung time pag nakapag-refer ka ng 20 and 2,000 plus dollars, pwede nilang kitain and may matching ka sa kanila up to 7 figures, 1 million yung pwedeng kitain. Ang tanong, may nakagawa ba niyan? May nangyari bang kumikita ng 7 figures? Yes. Hindi man po perfect na napuno po talaga itong matrix pero may kumikita and more than pa dito. Grabe. And ito pa yung sample earnings ng mga Live Good affiliates natin. Nag-gold po siya. Yan, 17K extra income. Okay na rin. Nag-platinum po itong taong to. Ayan, 200K. Pwede na rin. Pang-snack. Pwede na ba? Oh. Oh, type, pwede na ba? Oh, pang-kwek-kwek. Oh, pang-fishbowl. Alright. Okay, so ito pa exciting din, the Diamond Bonus Pool, wherein ito na po yung tinatawag nating shareholder ka or parang kang co-owner. Kasi yung 2% ng sales ng company, ibibigay po sa mga diamonds, hati-hatiin po nila. So for example, mayroon pong sales yung company this month, 50M. Times 2%, ipapamigay sa mga diamonds, 1M. So naghati-hati yung, let's say for example, 200 diamonds ng 1M, that's 5,000 USD. Sample earnings natin, for example, kay Coach Ryan, alam niyo po ba, 3 months time. No, medyo bago lang siya nag-diamond that time. Grabe. Almost 7 figures. Ganun po kalaki, guys. Okay? Oh, ito pa, hindi pa nakontento ang company. Meron pang Crown Diamond. Grabe naman yan. Kanina 2%, ngayon 0.5. So, same scenario, 50M, 0.5% to 50. O, divide natin tatlong Crown Diamond, 83K. For example, ito po kay Tim Miller. Ayan, si Tim Miller po ang ating first Crown Diamond and sobrang inspiring kasi bakit? Literally, ginawa niya lang po yung business na cellphone lang yung gamit. Kasi naka-wheelchair siya. Yes. And grabe po, walang excuses. Talagang ginawa niya yung business day in and day out in just a matter of 13 months. He just hit his 1 million US dollar in just 13 months. And meron pang time, yung isang buwan, ayan, makikita nyo, 2023 pa to. Outdated na. Grabe, isang buwan, almost 4.5. Malamang sa ngayon na naka-record to, no, baka times 2 or even times 3 na yung kanyang income in US dollar. And that's the future. Alright? And syempre, actually, pag according sa ating CEO, no, pagka magkaroon tayo ng 10 Crown Diamond, madadagdag po tayo ng Royal Crown Diamond. Oh, grabe. So, meron namang another, ano naman yun, baka bonus pool. Ay, grabe naman. Alright. Ayan, so ito po yung mga kumita and iba dito ay hindi na po updated but the point is, may mga kumita po talaga. Nabago din po talaga yung buhay. Okay? So kung kita lang po, nako, may kumita na po. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. So as of now, nasa actually 2.3 M, mahigit na po tayo, members and affiliates. So tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. In fact, even the first 5 million, tip of the iceberg pa lang yan. Yung mega structure, yung nakikita nyo sa ilalim, ang vision ng company will have 20, 30, or even 50 or even 100 millions of members and affiliates will be joining 10 to 20 years from now. And our projection, hopefully, no, in God's will, we'll have 3M before matapos ang taon. Okay? Ayan, before matapos ang taon. So, ang tanong right now is that, are you willing? Di ba? Are you willing to be part of this million members? Ayan, kung willing ka, welcome in advance. And if di naman, walang problema. Okay? Kasi guys, I'll tell you, this is uh, parang train po ito, no? Parang train. Di ba yung train dadaan, tapos bubukas siya, tapos kung sumakay ka, or hindi, kung sasara yung pinto, aandar. Guys, I'm telling you, this isn't just an ordinary train. This is like Shanghai Maglev. Currently, the fastest commercial train, no? Tumatakbo po ng around 401 miles per hour. Ang bilis po nun, no? So, mabilis po ito na ibig sabihin, ganun po kasing bilis si Live Good na dito ngayon 2.3M. Di ba? Nakadilat tayo. Papikit natin. Pagdilat ulit, 4M, 5M, 10M na. Ang tanong, are you part of the million members? Okay? Kung hindi, okay lang. No? Pero kung magiging part ka, welcome. No? Welcome kasi we believe that kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng isang tamang opportunity or isang opportunity na makakatulong sa with your situation, maybe lang. Sinasabi ko, baka lang, ito na yon. Ang kailangan mo lang is to study this one. Ngayon, tinapos mo to, may reason. May reason. So, dahil tinapos mo to and kung naintindihan mo, welcome advance sa aming team. So, with that, I'll leave you with this. Ito pa, meron pa tayong 5 reasons no, why Live Good, we just officially launched globally. Again, nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. High quality and very affordable health products, marketing system, tools, and training, simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Nako, grabe. Sobrang generous. And yung tools na sinabi ko kanina, grabe po. Talagang never-ending na innovation. Okay? And successful, fun, and winning team. Ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member, a member, or retail customer? So if I were you, letter A. Yan. So before tayo mag-end, I'll leave you with this, of course, one verse na very popular and most of us ay alam na po ito. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you. Yung sabi ni Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Guys, if you truly believe your mind, body, and soul na may magandang plano ang Lord sa buhay mo, nako, it's time to act. Remember, faith without work is dead. If you've been praying for the longest time in your life, mabago sitwasyon mo, makaipon ka, makauwi ka for good, makatulong ka sa magulang mo, sa mga anak mo, sa ibang tao, maybe this is the opportunity that you've been praying and waiting for. What you just have to do is to take the first step. Take the first step to decide and become part of something big and something great. And something that could really help you, your future, and your family, and others too. Okay? So, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C.